Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram story music not working. To know how to fix Instagram story music not working, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, and when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram like this, as you see. And here in this page you can go to force stop. When you will end this, you will go to storage and you will enter here like this. Then in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi in the end. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.